All right, so I recently got into bowling and I decided to get my own custom bowling balls. They're getting made right now. So while those were getting made, I ended up going and buying a bag so that I can carry them with me when I go to tournaments. So I want to show you guys this bag. You can see you're able to hold 2 different bowling balls in here. It's got a centerpiece, which is going to allow you to separate the 2 so they don't, hit each other while transporting them around. It's also going to have this strap up here at the top, which is nice because you're able to hold the balls down into place. Now, like I said, I'm waiting for my bowling balls to be made, so I don't have them yet, but I want to show you how sturdy this is. I've got a 35-pound kettlebell here, and I'm able to easily put that down into there, and you can see that there's no issues. Even if I were to kind of throw it down there, the plastic that this is made out of and the bottom is nice and hard so that it's not going to get damaged, and it's going to hold everything right into place. So let me go ahead. I'm going to put this kettlebell in here again, and let's go ahead and close it up. I'll show it to you guys down on the ground. And again, this is with a 35-pound kettlebell, so you're able to put 2 bowling balls in here really easily. Up here at the top, you've got another zipper where you can put other things like your gloves, jacket, any other accessories that you need for bowling. You can put in there nice and easily. It also has a handle right here. I love the fact that they put a handle here and not just this extension pole, because of course you're going to be moving it around, but let's say you wanted to lift it up and kind of put it up onto the counter. You've got your strap right here, and you're able to actually grab it off the ground and put it up just like that. Now, if you wanted to hold this horizontally like this, as maybe you're putting it into the car, or maybe you can't roll it wherever it is that you're going, you can easily connect these 2 pieces right here, just like that, and utilize it as a shoulder bag, making it nice and easy to carry around. Down here at the bottom, it's got like these rollerblade type wheels, which are able to roll on pretty much any surface. And it also has these stops right here. So if this is up vertically, you can see that it's going to stay in place. Now, if we want to roll it around, we can extend this. And just to give you an idea, let me put it down here on the ground. You can see it's up to about my waist right here, and I'm about 5'9", so this is a good height for me. I feel like even if I was a bit taller, this would be pretty easy for me to drag around. But let's go ahead and I'll bring it back up here onto the countertop, because there is one more pouch up here in the front. Again, more accessories that you can add in here. This one's going to be a little bit smaller, but I absolutely love this bag. I can't wait to get my new custom bowling balls to put in here and bring with me to my tournaments. So if you're looking for a good bag to carry 2 balls with you, then I would definitely recommend picking this one up.